Good day, everyone. So for today, I'm going to present to you the system. So today we're going to scan for the QR code of the students. So as we have done a while ago, we already created the event which was the film showing event. So for this, we're going to use a smartphone. As you can see, we are currently using a smartphone. And then we're going to open a browser. So we'll choose here. We can use Chrome, Google Chrome for this. Okay, you are now redirected to this Google Chrome. Then on this search bar, you are going to type https double slash 192.168.254.135 slash attendance. Then you're going to tap for enter. And right after, you are now redirected to the system login page. So as you have noticed, we use the URL https this one. Later on, when everything is already good, we can it's finished. The system will be ready for deployment. It's already being live. You are no longer going to type for this URL, but instead you're going to use a unique URL which was already connected to to a domain. So today, this time our system is not yet still being live, so we're going to use the network's default address, no, right? Then going to log in. So for today, we're going to log in not anymore as an administrator, but rather than the SSC officer, for we're going to scan for the system. So I'm going to use I'm going to use the ID number 1810180. This was my ID number as the SSC president. So going to use the password 1810180-1. Sign in. So that's it. We are now redirected to this. As you can see, today's event is the film showing, and the current attendees are still 0. So there are still no attendees. Okay, then we're going to click here. We're going to additional attendance in the URL. So that's it. As you can see, here is the scanner, the QR code scanner. Then, for example, here is my co-groupmate Annalisa. For example, a student would come in our event. So first is, we have Maria Champagne from BSMB. Okay, as you can see, Maria Champagne are successfully logged. Then here, you can see here, the current attendees is already 1. Then, going to have another. We have Elma Didaste successfully logged in. Then supposedly we are not going, but still we're working on the project. We are working on the system. That's why we have some like this. But in the few, another student, Jimwell from BSIT. As you can see, there is a picture and there is the section. Going to back. Then lastly, we have the what we added a while ago, Lindy from BS Agriculture. Yes. Okay. Then as you can see, we have already current attendees for students. So that's all for the um, adding QR code scanning of QR code. Thank you so much.